Students, today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of benzene diazonium chloride. In unit nitrogen containing organic compound. In previous class also we start their chemical properties. Here we studied some other chemical reactions. So reaction with potassium iodide, its molecular formula is Ki. It reacts with benzene diazonium chloride, C6H5 N2Cl plus potassium iodide Ki. To subtract it, potassium chloride KCl and nitrogen in gaseous form to form iodobenzene C6H5 I plus N2 plus KCl. This reaction also known as the formation reaction of haloarine, because iodobenzene is the formula of haloarine. Now next reaction, Ullmann biarine. Synthesis reaction. It is an nomination reaction. In their short name, it is known as Ullmann reaction. This reaction is followed the concept of Wurtz-Fitting reaction, but some change here. Here we use copper metal, but in Wurtz-Fitting reaction we used sodium metal. In this reaction, the two atoms of haloarines, like as a iodobenzene, react with copper metal to form biphenyl. Then this one is known as Ullmann reaction. So also we say that this reaction is the subcategory reaction of iodobenzene. So according to their formula, twice molecule of iodobenzene, C6H5 I is the lateral formula of iodobenzene plus copper metal Cu. Also give another structure for the second molecule of iodobenzene, I. So here copper metal subtracted iodines to form CuI and gives biphenyl. The structure of biphenyl is the conjugation of two aryl rings or benzene rings. Biphenyl It is the concept of Ullmann reaction. Also we shown this reaction in their molecular formula. Its molecular form is given as C6H5I plus copper and another iodobenzene C6H5I1. Copper substituted iodine to form biphenyl C6H5 and C6H5 plus twice CuI. Now next chemical reaction, it is the reduction reaction of benzene diazonium chloride. So reaction of benzene diazonium chloride. Its molecular form is given as C6H5 and 2Cl. Also we shown their bond formula and triple bond NCl. It is reduced by SnCl2 and HCl. Is nascent hydrogen because it is produced by SnCl2 and HCl. A single hydrogen conjugated with nitrogen to form NH, and two hydrogen atoms are adopted by this nitrogen to form NH2 and one is from Cl. So total 4 hydrogen atoms are used in this reduction. And then formula is C6H5NH, one hydrogen is here and 2 with this nitrogen to form NH2 and 1 with Cl to form HCl. This is the additional product of this reaction, and this product is known as phenylhydrazine hydrochloride. Phenylhydrazine hydrochloride. It is an addition product. Also it says that it is an reduction product of benzene diazonium chloride. If this phenylhydrazine hydrochloride react with sodium hydroxide C6H5NH NH2 HCl plus NaOH, then sodium substituted chlorine atom to form NaCl, sodium chloride, and this hydrogen atom substituted water molecule with OH. So H2O, and then product is known as phenylhydrazine C6H5NH2. Phenylhydrazine. Now next chemical property. Now we take a most important reaction named coupling reaction. In this reaction, benzene diazonium chloride react with phenol. The molecular formula of phenol is C6H5OH with NaOH or caustic soda to form para-hydroxyazobenzene. It provides red color. So its formula is given as C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, and molecular formula of phenol C6H5OH with NaOH. Sodium subtracted this chlorine atom to form NaCl and a single hydrogen atom is subtracted with water. So plus H2O and then it gives a coupling product named para-hydroxyazobenzene. C6H5N double bond N and C6H5OH. Para-hydroxyazobenzene. Also we shown their structural reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride C6H5N2Cl means N triple bond NCl diazonium side react with phenol C6H5OH with NaOH. A single para position hydrogen is subtracted water molecule, make H2O. And this sodium atom subtracted chlorine to form NaCl. So also it is subtracted sodium chloride and then both rings are added with one another. C6H5N triple bond N and single bond C6H5OH. It is known as para-hydroxy. It break their bonds, it did with double bonds. Para-hydroxy azobenzene, and reaction is known as coupling reaction. बच्चों, in this reaction, this product provides us red color. So also we say that it is a test, chemical test for benzene diazonium chloride. In another class we also studied some chemical reaction and their important uses.